to make the array in ascending order. So this is a demo array that we have, and we are iterating over this and printing all the members of the array. Now the logic here goes that how will we find, like, what's the logic gonna be? So ideally, how do we check it? Like, we check through each element, right? We're checking each element, and then we will eventually see this element, right? And we will bring it over here. Okay, we will think, okay, this is the one. But then if you feel a lower element would be there, you would take it again here. So that's what we're gonna do. We will basically iterate over this two nested for loops, and once we find that the yeah, the element that we found, the element which is lower than this, we will just replace it with the existing we will interchange the numbers. So what we did was we started with I less than length for j starting I plus 1, because why I plus 1? When it is at 0, we want to compare, we don't want to compare it with this element, right? We want to compare it to any with this element, the next element. For example, here you don't want to compare anything back, or even this element also. You want to compare this onwards till the end of the length. So that's why we have done this. And then if array I is greater than array j, right? If this is greater than some element, then it should go inside and then it should interchange. Make sense? So once you do that, so what will happen is it will interchange. So for example, from here to here, we are going here from here, so this one will interchange. And similarly, if it goes like this, and if it finds another element, it will interchange. So here I think it found it in the first element itself, and it interchanges this. So next time this element will be compared with other element. So next time if 102 comes here, it will compare it with 43, this, and it will replace it with 43, right? And then 43 comes here. Now 43 will compare it with the next elements. So anything which is lowest will be getting replaced, and it will, the lowest element of the next lot out of this will be replaced, and it will take this position. Got it? So this is the logic, and once we print it, initially it was like this, and you can see here it has perfectly come in the ascending order. So I think if you want to do the descending order, probably we can do this, and think it should work, because let's see. Yeah, so it worked, right? So this is the program for this descending order. You just have to replace, because anything that is higher lower than this will get replaced. Sorry, anything that is higher will basically get replaced. So here in this case there is nothing higher, so array I is not less than any of these, so that's why it didn't get replaced. Here 33, it will compare it with everything, and it will come out to be for 65. So out of the all the loop, which is the highest will get replaced here. That's how the logic is. So thank you for this.